Hello everyone. This is the science video of class 6 in which we discuss about chapter electricity which is presented by me Priya Singh. First of all, we see what we will learn in this chapter. First one, introduction about electricity, main sources of electricity, electric current, electric circuit, electric symbols, an electric cell, electric switch, and construction of dry cell and construction of bulb and conductor and insulators. Let get start our chapter. What is electricity? You know very well in our day-to-day life, electricity is very essential thing. But what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy that can be easily changed to one form to another form. Do you think from where we get the electricity? From where electricity is come from? Yes, you're right. Mainly two sources of electricity are there: power stations and electric cells or batteries. Main source of electricity generation is power stations. Power station generates electricity. Then it delivered to our home and industry through wires. Finally connected to the main sockets and supply the electric energy to in our house. And then second is electric cell. Electric cell is portable electric device. It generates a small amount of electric energy. And electric current. Electric current is what? It is a flow of electric charge, and that electric charge is electrons. And these electrons flow only in a one direction. And how these electrons flow? These electrons want energy to move from one place to another. So from where they get uh, energy? They get energy from electric cells. Electric cells have a two terminals, positive terminals and negative terminal. These two terminals pushes the electron out of the negative terminal and round the circuit and flow back to the positive terminal of cell. How we measure the electric current? With the help of ammeter, we can easily measure the electric current in a circuit. This is the diagram of ammeter. The ammeter devices look like this, and this is the symbol of ammeter. And in this circuit, this is the ammeter shown in this circuit. The next one is, what is the SI unit of electric current? The SI unit of electric current is ampere, which is denoted by capital A. Thank you.